This is a weekly test of the Emergency Alert System. This station is testing equipment that can quickly warn you in the event of an emergency.
A civil authority has issued required monthly tests for the following counties or areas: Grays Harbor, Pacific, Washington, at 8:15 p.m. on August 8, 2022, effective until 11:15 p.m. This is Grays Harbor County conducting a test of the Emergency Alert System. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information. The following tones will conclude this test.
This concludes this test of the Emergency Alert System.